welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to pin a comment on your video on TikTok. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now a few things you need to remember when you pin a comment is that you can only pin one comment at a time, and if you'd like to have another comment pinned, you can replace the existing one. You can pin your comment or anyone else's comment on your video. Okay, let's pin a comment on our video first. For that, let's open up our TikTok app. Okay, let's go to our video on which the comments are available. And now this is a song I just uploaded 2 days ago, and you can see there are 11 comments which are given to me by my friends, and as well as I commented on this video myself from my other account in order to show you how to pin a comment. Okay, a friend of mine, Azim96, has commented that awesome song, they keep it up with a smiley. Okay, now let's press and hold on the comment you like to pin. For me, that would be this comment. Okay, let's press and hold it for a moment, and you can see all these options are weird. Now on the fourth option, there is our option pin comment. Now let's pin this comment. To do that, just tap on the pin comment option, and you can see the comment by my friend Azim96, awesome song, has been pinned, and this comment will be pinned unless you want to remove the pin. Now to remove the pin, you have comment to remove a pin on the comment you have pinned. Just do the same process again. Tap and hold on the comment you want to unpin, and all these options will be available to you again. And tap on the unpin comment option, and as you can see, the previous comment on which I had pinned has been unpinned. There you see, guys, to pin or unpin a comment on your video in TikTok is this easy. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Peace.